I don't know how you guys are surviving without your hairdressers. My hair is not in a good condition. What is this? If you guys want to watch the video where I went blonde, I'm gonna link it somewhere up here. So today I'm committing the biggest hairstylist sin, box color. I have not done box color since I was like 18 maybe. I went to hair school in my early 30s. Now as a hairdresser, I never use this box color, like ever. One of the main reasons is because they use 20 vol developer. The developer is lifting your hair 2 levels. Generally, if you're just gonna do a toner, which is a deposit only color, you generally don't need to lift it that much. 20 vol can be quite damaging. My hair's already been lifted before, which means it's been bleached. So putting on another 20 vol hair color can really damage the cuticle and make my hair very brittle. It can break. The color that I chose is this L'Oreal Excellence in medium brown. And the reason I chose medium and I didn't do a warm one is because I already have so much warmth in my hair. If I had done ash, that would be too cool, and medium seems like it's a good neutral. Another reason why I don't like box color is because you don't know what level your hair is gonna be at. When we work at the salon, we know what level of hair color we're working with. Usually we'll do probably like a 5 and a 6, so I would be like in between a 5 and a 6, so I can get a 5.5 level. But with a box color, I literally have no idea what level my hair is gonna be at. Is it gonna turn into a 3? Because there was a time when I used a medium brown that turned black. So I don't know what I'm working with. On the back, they have this lovely chart. I don't know how accurate this is. I don't believe it. It's photoshopped, right? Like this isn't actual results. So yeah, this is my quarantine hair. Let's get started. Oh my God, there's so many tubes in here. So this is the developer, and see where it says 20V? This is 20 volume. So this is actually quite harsh. If I were using a regular toner at home, I could use a 10 volume, so it only lifts a tiny bit because my hair doesn't need a ton of lifting. Oh my God, there's so much in here. 20 minutes, that's really short. That means that it's blasting the cuticle wide open to deposit the color. It should take 40 minutes. 20 is really short, which tells me it's like super damaging. You guys ever feel like you're cheating on your hairstylist? I'm gonna put on some gloves and mix this. Have you guys watched Selling Sunset? Such a good show. I brought a bowl just in case. The first thing I'm gonna do is brush my hair. Now before my camera overheats, I'm just gonna go ahead . So I used what was left over in the bottle and I poured it into the bowl so that I could get a more accurate application using a brush. I made sure that I got my entire hairline, and you want to make sure you do this, especially if you have some resistant grays. I poured everything that was left over in my hands, oversaturated my hair with the product, and then brushed it through to get a complete saturation of the hair color and to make sure I get an accurate distribution of color. Cleaned up the sides and waited 20 minutes. I love this color. Okay guys, so this is the finished result of the hair color. This is day 2. So I'm right now facing a window, so this is what my hair looks like in daylight. I absolutely love this color. Still not the same color that was on the box. Regardless, I love it. I'm very happy with the result. I definitely feel a lot like myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you a little bit of insight as to whether you should be box dyeing your hair or not. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!